Hello again, my friend. This is the last video of our tutorial about creating drag and drop interface with jQuery UI. This video is about creating a droppable element. We have learned how to make an element draggable so that the user can drag it around the page. We have also looked at using events to responding to drags and drops. There is an easier way to deal with drops, and that is to create a droppable element. A droppable element is an element that can accept a draggable element that has been dragged and dropped onto it. When draggable is dropped on a droppable element, the droppable fire a drop event by writing an event handler function for the drop event. You can determine which draggable was dropped onto it. So let's see an action. Let's first of all let's delete the code of the previous lecture and let's create the droppable element. Drop, let's call it drop element, and let's apply a style to it. Let's say 200 pixel, and the color of blue. So let's copy this and create our droppable element. How create this droppable element is by calling JavaScript jQuery and the ID of the element dot and call the droppable function. The same as droppable function accept an object with the drop event and the event handler function. Event handler function. So this, you are free to call it whatever you want. You could call it my function or whatever you want. So let's now create this event handler. This event handler take two parameter. It is like the helpers. It take two parameter. The first parameter is event and the second is UI parameter. The UI parameter represent the draggable element. So let's create the function and then let's create a variable to put it onto it our draggable element equal UI dot dot drag, and then we could console log the draggable element. So this event handler is called when the drop event is fired. So let's open in browser and let's inspect the element. Let's open the console and let's drag our element and then drop it onto the droppable element, and you will see to the console the drop event is fired. As you can see, the console show to us our draggable element. It is our draggable element, this yellow element. So we can apply a style to this draggable element. For example, let's say draggable dot cs let's say background color to green. Let's test expected token. Yes, let's remove this. Let's root, and it must change to green when it dropped, as you can see. Thank you for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please support us by subscribing to the channel, or at least like the video. Ciao ciao.